Hi Cancer, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading my next video or whenever I'm going live next for my tarot reading session. Alright Cancer, so for today's theme here, it will be what are the messages that your person wants to send you, what are the messages that your person wants to tell you if they could right now. Please note that even though I'm doing this from the masculine perspective, from the masculine to the feminine, please note that the role can be vice versa or interchangeable, and the gender doesn't really have to be a priority here. And please also note that this is going to be a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with every single Cancer out there. I will put the link in the description box for June 2020 reading, so if you haven't watched that, you can actually click on that as well. Alright, so the first message that your person wants to tell you here, Cancer, is the being represented with the Five of Cups energy, Two of Swords, and the Seven of Wands here. Again, it could be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here, Cancer, is the Ten of Swords. So the message that your person wants to tell you here, Cancer, is that basically like they have regretted leaving you. They have regretted this separation that happened between you and them here. With this Five of Cups energy and this Ten of Swords energy, so I do feel like they're actually also feeling like betrayed, like they're feeling backstabbed. They're basically like at this point of time is just focusing up on the spilled milk here. I do feel like the message that this person wants to come towards you here is that they want to tell you that how much they've regretted leaving you, how much they've regretted the decision to separate here, but they're basically in the place of being scared, or just basically they're kind of being fearful, like they don't know how to come towards you here, like they basically don't know how to approach you here. With the Two of Swords energy here coming up, I do feel like your person is basically also in the state of confusion, that they're basically just feeling confused and they don't know what they need to do now. Like they want to come towards you here, but at one point they're kind of feeling scared, because if they come towards you here, you might not be open to them, or you might not be listening to them here. With this Seven of Wands energy here, what I'm getting here is that your person could also be feeling kind of basically like your person is kind of feeling defensive here. Like again, I do feel like at one point they're kind of like feeling that they made a mistake, but at the same time also they're kind of coming up from the place of ego here. So yeah, this person wants to come towards you here, Cancer, and just tell you and just be open on how they're feeling here, but the ego is stopping them. So this is one of the things that they want to tell you here. The next card I've got here is the Page of Swords. So with this Page of Swords energy, I'm definitely getting that your person is kind of in this energy of keeping tab about you here. I will not be surprised if this person is stalking you, or like driving past your house, or even like just checking up on you on social media. So this Page of Swords energy, I'm getting that your person is kind of being calculated with their communication at this point of time here, Cancer. Again, I do feel like they want to come towards you, but they're still in this indecisiveness energy. They're basically in this confusion energy here. As you can see here, one foot in, one foot out, like that kind of energy that I'm getting here for you, Cancer. I do feel like, yeah, mostly like they're just unsure. Like what is triggering them here is that the fear of rejection, one, and also like the fear that you might have moved on and just not going to listen to them here. I've got the Ace of Pentacles coming up for you here, Cancer, which is an indication towards me that your person wants to come towards you with a committed offer here. Like they want to have a committed relationship with you here, Cancer, but again, they're just feeling confused. I do feel like apart from you, there are also like a lot of things going on in their mind at this point of time, especially with this Seven of Cups energy, and I do feel like this is why also leading them to feel like they're just unsure what they need to do here. I'm getting lots of anxiety coming up from your person here, but this anxiety is basically being triggered due to this confusion that they have. I do feel like your person might also be dealing with some kind of a family issues or some kind of a financial issues, where I do feel like at this point of time here, something is just stopping them from coming towards you here. Like they're just feeling confused, and I do feel like they're kind of like waiting for the right moment here. The next card that I've got for you here is the Two of Pentacles, which is just confirming the intuition here that your person is currently dealing with something. Your person is basically like currently like trying to juggle between things. They're basically like trying to keep themselves in balance, but again, a lot of things going on in their life at this point of time. I do feel like most of this could be actually going to do with their finance situation, especially with this Four of Pentacles that I've got here at the bottom of the deck. I do feel like with this Four of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, and the Eight of Cups energy, so I do feel like there is something actually holding them. Could be family issues, could be financial situations. So I do feel like what this person wants to tell you is that they're actually leaving, they're actually walking away from this thing that's actually stopping them, either family issues, another relationship here. Like with this Eight of Cups energy, I'm definitely getting the energy that they're actually walking away from whatever is actually stopping them to give you the clarity that you needed. With this Ace of Swords energy, I do feel like your person has been someone who actually like kind of keeping everything within themselves here, and I do feel like they're actually walking away from that energy to give you the clarity that you needed, to give you the honest communication that you needed here, Cancer. And I've got the Knight of Cups coming up for you here, which is an indication towards me your person is going to come towards you with a romantic offer, with a romantic proposal. Could even just be like a romantic messages, like asking you out for a dinner, or just asking you out for a movie, that kind of energy here. So I do feel like definitely like they're basically at this point of time, it's just like basically they're actually going through something at this point of time here, and that's why they're keeping a tab about you here. Like they're basically going through lots of regret, lots of situations that are actually coming to them all at once here. Wow, I've got the Tower card for you. So definitely your person is going through lots of changes, a lots of Tower moment here. And I do feel like this is also leading up to them to feeling confused and like just trying to balance themselves up, trying to juggle between the emotion, the finances, the career, the family, and a lot of things going on in their person, like all at once here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Six of Swords, which is an indication towards me that what your person wants to tell you here, Cancer, is that once this Tower moment over, when they finally figure out what they're going to do here, they're going to leave the other situation, and then they're going to come towards you here. The next card that I've got for you here is the the Six of Cups, and the bottom of the deck here I've got for you the Queen of Cups energy. So I do feel like your person actually realizing that the two of you have a soul connection here. Again, a strong soulmate connection here. If you're dealing with a Pisces, you can actually go back and listen to the Pisces reading which I've just uploaded, because I'm getting almost the same energy as well. So for those of you who are actually again dealing with another water sign, even if you're not dealing with another water sign here, this Queen of Cups energy for me is basically an indication towards me that you could be an empath here, you could be an healer, also highly intuitive person. But with this Queen of Cups energy, what I'm getting here is that your person finally coming up to the realization that you are such an emotionally mature person here. Like they're finally coming up to the realization that they have lots and lots of emotion, that they have lots and lots of love towards you here. Especially I do feel like this Tower moment that is happening in their life at this point of time is actually just the trigger to let them know that, okay, finally I've just realizing that I have a soul connection with this person here. The channel message that I've got for you here is trust issues. I've got I love you card. Wow, this person loves you here, Cancer. And I've got will you give me another chance. So overall, the message that I've got for you here, Cancer, is that you and your person could be dealing with some kind of a trust issues here at this point of time, and this person definitely loves you. I've got this I love you card. And I've got will you give me another chance. So this is basically an indication towards me that your person is going to come back towards you and ask you for another chance here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here, Cancer, is self-love and work on inner self. So at this point of time that your person finally have decided to just focusing up on themselves, and I do feel like this is also the right time for you to actually just focusing up on yourself and just like give all the self-love within yourself here. I do feel like for those of you who actually dealing with trust issues, this is time for you to just heal all those issues. So the next time the two of you getting back together with your person here, Cancer, there will be no triggers. Alright, so that's it for your reading, Cancer. I hope the message resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and as well as hit the notification bell, so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading my next video or whenever I'm going live next for my tarot reading session. I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.